There we go. Got it started. Waiting for partner. And in the meantime, I will look at stuff.
Hey, Hannah.
How are you?
Let's turn the sound up. There we go. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you doing?
To be honest, I was just thinking this whole semester, I feel like I've been drowning.
Yeah.
Still happy and life is still good, but yeah, I realized I feel like I've been drowning for the past however long we've been doing this, 10 weeks.
Yeah. I think it's hard because this class is 5 credits, and I didn't really realize 5 credits, how much 5 credits is when it's all one class.
That's the thing too, is I knew it was going to be hard, and I knew they weren't going to make it easy on us.
Yeah.
But I was not prepared for this level of, I don't know, classwork and intensity.
Yeah.
And I don't know. I'll be honest too, like I like this is a new course and I don't completely like how it's set up.
Yeah. I don't like iLearn 3.0 at all.
Like I mean I hate iLearn, but like some classes are still set up pretty good, like the learning process.
Mm-hmm.
I know most classes are pretty consistent in the way they do things, but like for example, I took a ridiculously hard chemistry class online, but I felt like I learned it a whole lot easier than I'm learning this stuff.
Yeah.
And it's like almost the same difficulty. And I got an A. I think I got an A- in chemistry, and I'm barely like hanging on to a B right now in this class.
Yeah. I think it also might have to do with, well, yeah, that's online. I think it feels like an in class, and we had a teacher that like was sitting on the board writing examples, then the class would be so different.
Yeah, I feel like this is definitely a bad class to take online.
I know, I regret it really badly, but I mean, there's
especially because you're up there.
Yeah. I was just trying to work with my work schedule, but now this next semester I'm like, school first, then work.
So let's go ahead and get started.
Okay.
But I feel that's difficult to work and do school at the same time.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Are we doing extension problems?
It wants you to look at the preparation ones. That's the one.
What have you done?
I was looking at the preparation because it has you to discuss your solutions for questions 3 through 6, and then you talk about number 7.
Gotcha.
That's all. Then yeah, that's it. Well, then you check your answers for the algebraic simplification, but that's like this really weird little like thing you can fill out, and it's just like fractions and stuff. So,
gotcha.
So if you did algebra 1, you could probably do those. It's kind of weird, but she has a reason, I guess, for it.
Gotcha. So I'll be honest, I'm so lost and I haven't been able to dive into this. Can you help teach me these as best you can?
That's fine. Yeah. So an important thing that I like pulled up was how she has that like resource little tab. What is that thing? Like it's in between. I have like so many tabs open I can't find anything. I hate when I do this to myself.
Your nose sounds a little stuffy. Are you sick?
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's just like, it's fine. My roommate was sick, so I knew I was going to get sick.
Bummer.
Yeah, it's okay. I've been taking lots of medicine, so hopefully it should be over soon.
Yeah.
So in the lesson 10, or week 10, resources, if you go to the trigonomic identities, that like worksheet thing that pops up is like the way to do it.
Okay, so lesson 3 resources. Oh, I
10.
know.
Week 10, sorry.
Week 10
Lesson
lesson.
1.
Gotcha.
And it's like the first one, trigonomic identities. And really it has like everything you need to do these.
Okay, let's see.
So the first one is tan of x over secant of x. So then you look at the like little instruction, or not the instruction, the thing.
Sorry,
and you
hold
see that what?
Hold on. I'm still getting to the instructions. My computer's.
Oh, that's fine. Sorry.
There we go. The resources. Lesson 1 resources. So do trigonomic.
Identity. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's nice. I wish I had this when I took
Really?
pre-calc in high school.
Oh, I know. Seriously. So this is all the memorize come test time.
Yeah, it says like you're required to memorize the star ones, and you're also recommended to memorize the bullet point ones.
Gotcha.
But pretty much, almost like some of them, if you look at like the one that's like some and difference identities, if you know the first one, you know like the rest of them. Because it's like, because the sign, I don't know what that thing is. The like x plus b kind of looking thing equals sine of cosine b. Like if you just subtract to one side, it kind of, I don't know. I feel like those help you. If you know one, you know.
Got it. Okay. So let's go. Use identities to simplify the following trigonometric
I know
expression.
I can't.
So tan over secant.
So tan equals sine over cosine, and secant is 1 over cosine. So when you divide those, you like flip the bottom, the denominator. You flip the, I don't know what that's called. Like you flip the fraction over, so then it's like
A reciprocal?
Yeah, that's the word. So you can cancel out the cosine, so it just equals sine.
Gotcha.
I did not know how to do the second one though. I was trying to figure out the second one and I have no idea.
So let me go to the homework. Have you done any of the homework yet? Can you hear me? Anna? Oh, she's gone.
Sorry, I didn't even realize it wasn't doing anything anymore. I thought you were looking at something.
That's funny. Okay, let's see. Are the following expressions. Sorry, my computer's really slow. Okay. So I'm just looking at this. Where's it? Okay. So 1. This is squared will just equal sine. Okay. That makes sense. So what's CSC stand for?
I don't know. Isn't it the one? It's 1 over sine.
Gotcha. Okay. So let's go. I'm just gonna make.
I just don't know how to make it 1 over sine. It's a reciprocal.
Moving stuff. Okay.
It's the COT. I don't know how to say what that one is. Like how to say that one.
So sine plus a cotangent.
Yeah.
Let's see.
And cotangent equals 1 over tan. And tan is sine over cosine.
So I'm so confused. I don't know what to do with 3. Let me double check the homework.
I just don't know.
Okay. I feel like it would just be I feel like it'd just be 1 over CSC plus 1 over tan A, or yeah, the 1 over tan and plus 1 over SEC, but I'm not even sure. Like
Well, like she has a key up, and it's supposed to equal CSC squared x.
C squared.
But I don't know how.
Interesting.
Like CSC squared x, or CSC is 1 over sine x.
Plus
So we need 2 of those.
SEC.
But I don't know how. Or we would need to make it 1 over, or 1 plus cotangent squared
Sine squared
equals that.
cotangent.
And how would we make cotangent? 1 over tan.
Oh, my brain.
Maybe.
Sorry, 1 second. I'm going to run to the bathroom real quick.
Do you know how to do the fourth one?
Okay, sorry about that. Okay. So I have no idea. I need to look into this. I wish I would have known about these resources before.
That's okay. I just don't know how to do 2 and 4 of like number 3, the second one, and the fourth one. I kind of know. I think I know how to do the third one.
So how do you do the third one?
Well, so let's see. Hold on 1 second. Let me figure out one thing. So when you have the sign of negative x, it equals just negative sine x.
Uh-huh.
Because it's in the even/odd identities. Cotangent of negative x equals negative cotangent, and then cotangent also equals cosine over sine.
Uh-huh.
So then you would just be able to like cross out both signs, which just equals cosine.
Okay, that makes sense.
Negative signs to make it positive.
Yeah, that makes complete sense.
So it's just like those two. The other two I don't know. I kind of think I know how to do. Like I understand what she means for number 4. Or yeah, number 4. Except for on here, she doesn't give you the equation like she does in the key.
Use the identities to express.
What in the world? I don't understand. Identities to express in the terms of the sine function only.
Yes.
Because on here are you looking at 4 or are you looking at something else? Sorry.
Well, I'm looking at 4.
Are you looking at the key?
Yes.
Okay. Because I don't know if it like is supposed to have tan of x equals sine x cosine x, or if that's like something we were supposed to think of ourselves.
I have no idea. Anyways.
Did you understand how she got the bottom part?
No, not at all.
So if you look at I think it's because if you look at the Pythagorean identities, the sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1.
Uh-huh.
So you could do it as to make it like equal cosine, just cosine of x. Wouldn't it just be 1 is sine square x and then square root it?
Uh-huh.
I think that's what it's supposed to do. Like you're supposed to just make it like this equation, but with only sine in it, not cosine.
Gotcha.
That's why I was confused when I looked back and I didn't see the tan x equation. Like I thought it was supposed to be there.
Gotcha. Let's see. Multiplying. Sorry, I'm kind of useless tonight.
It's okay.
Sine squared b plus sine b. Oh.
Even or odds.
Yeah, b plus sine b minus 2 equals b plus 2. I get the factoring.
For the bottom?
Yeah, I get
Yeah.
the factoring. I was able to confidently do those on the homework. And that's just about it that I was able to do confidently. Um,
I don't know how to do number 5.
Number 5, fx equals cosine of 2x divided by x. Odd.
It says in the resource folder, but there's nothing in there that.
It talks about it in the homework.
Yeah, I haven't looked at the homework yet. I should have looked at it today.
Let's go to the textbook. Sorry, 1 second, just pulling up the textbook. Maybe I saved it somewhere. Okay. Let me just pull up. I think I took a screenshot somewhere for notes. I'm just gonna move everything to the side though. Cancel, put that down. No. I could have sworn, darn it. I'm not finding it.
Okay, I'm trying to look in the homework, but there's like 4 sections, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to just like randomly find this.
Let's see. Sorry, I'm getting close. Okay, in the book, it says odd and even identities. The odds are sine negative x equals negative sine x. CSC negative x equals negative CSC x. Tan negative x equals negative tan. Cotangent negative x equals negative cotangent x. The evens are cosine negative x and SEC or SEC negative x equals is positive or even. So cosine, you see, are even. Everything else is odd.
Okay.
So let me go to something. So COS 2x. It's a cosine. But it's negative. Yeah, it's a cosine, but it's not negative. So that makes it odd, right?
Yeah.
That makes
Okay.
sense.
Yeah.
Because cosine with a negative x is even, but if there's no negative x, then that would make it odd.
Okay.
D equals sine t plus cosine of t. Gt equals sine of t plus cosine of t. So sine of t and cosine, that would be an even and odd, so that's why it's neither.
Okay.
Sweet. Well, Hannah.
All right. I'll do some homework before the next one.
Yeah, and I'll be more prepared
It's okay.
and try and resources.
Some weeks are just harder than others.
I feel ya. Don't blame me at all.
All right. We'll see you soon.
Okay, have a good. I'll see you on Thursday.
That sounds good.
Okay, bye.